The Quattro was a flying wedge that made it really cool to have a 4x4. Under the bonnet, a turbocharged engine that was equally at home on the tarmac or a forest track. There was aggressive styling and high-tech engineering. And for just over 14 grand, buyers could channel their inner Stig Blomqvist for a seat-of-the-pants ride to their local supermarket. The Quattro entered motoring folklore and defined the Audi brand, and survivors in any condition, still highly sought after.
When these were the car to have was just before my time. I was still in primary school when this car came out. No, fantastic car, lovely car.
From Ingolstadt to Pickering, and increasing its value along the way, the 1990 Audi Quattro. And Paul is a fan.
If you could get one of these, like, you'd made it, hadn't you? You were the boy, weren't you? Yeah, not half. Look at that, look at the dashboard. Turn the ignition on, boom, look at that, you're already there, aren't you? Back into the 1980s, futuristic. Look at that, look at the dashboard in there. And they're great, aren't they? Forward drive, power steering, all that. Ooh, LED in there, brilliant. 146,000 miles, this one. This was the era, wasn't it? This is where the computerization came in. We've got digital voltmeter here and a digital, whatever that is, our outside temperature. 5-cylinder, smooth, aren't they? Beautiful. In my opinion, the 5-cylinder engine, smoothest engine, period, done. 220 brake horsepower, one of 295 signed by Stig Blomqvist, this car. Don't rub it off. He was the man. He could make them sing, couldn't he? Yeah, Stig was your boy. But it looks to me like it has actually been a well cared for and a well looked after example throughout his life, you know. I think the car's worth 30, 35 grand, but I bet he wants more. And I wouldn't blame him for wanting more, because it's a nice example. The man who's buying it is probably 50 and wanted one back in the day when Stig Blomqvist was racing about in one and thinking, oh, look at how they go. And couldn't afford one then, but can now. And if you went out with 30 grand in your pocket tomorrow, you would look at a lot before you found one that would better that car.
For its age, it's doing better than me.
I take a picture of me trying to get out now.
Coming into the yard and seeing the colours, the shapes, the reminders, life is complete for me now, really. Nathan, my son's just passed his driving test, so it's going to be a costly time. He's trying to talk me into a Porsche 944. Turbo. Absolute belters here, especially what?
The Quattro.
The Quattro.
Yeah.
Paintwork's nice, isn't it?
Yeah, there's no rust on.
The reds. I'm with Nathan now. I actually agree for him once, and I'm willing to get my wallet out. As long as he drives safely, of course, because I'm paying the insurance. First of the digital readouts, yeah.
It's cars that are older than me. They also have personalities.
Do you think an older car gives you a better chance of a girlfriend?
No.
No?
Audi Quattros, classic vehicles of their time. All the directors had those, didn't they, back in the 80s? They thought there was something cool. I mean, Audi Quattro, it just says it, doesn't it? Add the notes on.
Here we have the Audi Quattro Turbo, 1990. Lots and lots of interest here on my books. Whereabouts on south from the word go, this car. 42, 43, 43 and a half, 44, 44, 5, 45, 46, 46 and a half, back on the phone. 46, 5.
47, 5 now.
47, 47.
Yeah, there's a lot of people bidding on this car. It's your bid if you want it.
You want 5?
48, 48.
We're up at 48 already.
Just took it, 48, 5.
I'm not waving my arms about because I don't want to find I've won it.
First year back in.
That would be my pension down the Swanee, wouldn't it?
Lovely car, that.
Lovely car.
It's the one that got away. Do you remember you promised me one when I was 16?
Yeah. 49, 49,000, 49.5.
49.5.
Should be buying it me now. He promised to me at 16.
50,000. 50,000.
30 years later.
On the telephone, 50,000. Do you want 5?
Do you want 5?
I don't mind. Do you want 5?
No.
50,000. Do you want a bid?
I'm afraid I haven't got the facilities to buy that because I work for you.
50,500 per share.
51.
51.
Seriously, in the world of Audi Quattros, that's a good buy. They are making mega money now.
51,500. What do you want to do?
Steve Blomqvist has got a signature on, signed the strut top, you know.
Has he? Steve Blomqvist. Who's he? He's a
little known driver.
51,500 internet. You're out, Andrew. 51,000. 52. 52,000. 52,500. What shall I do? 52,500.
This chap on.
52,500 going to be sold then for the first.
That's an internet bid, isn't it? It's making
internet bid.
Yeah.
You bid 52.5.
You are out. You do know that, don't you?
All right.
You are out.
Definitely out.
52.5.
He's out. He's
right,
not the winning
out.
bid. He's out. He's
Right,
not
sorry.
52.5. The internet's 52.5.
You have to be quick if you want it.
Yeah.
No, he's out then.
Okay. 52,500 going to be sold. 52.5. 52. 53.
53.
A bit of confusion there with the money. 53,000. Be warned, internet, you're out. Telephone bid, 53,000. Sold, 53.
So, well done.
Well done.
Yeah, sorry. You're welcome. Thank you very much. Goodbye.
Right, brilliant.
He was determined, went up to 50 and then he hung hard. He didn't want it, then he did again. He didn't particularly want to go to 53, but he was determined he wasn't going to lose it.
It won't be young Nathan firing up the Quattro. Instead, it's off to a new museum in Scotland. The first turbocharged car to have four-wheel drive, the Audi Quattro blazed a trail on autobahns and mountain tracks. In rally after rally, the Quattro blew away the competition. And in Michelle Mouton, Audi found an all-conquering driver who became the first woman to win a World Championship race. Road-going models didn't hang around either. 0 to 60 in 7 seconds made the Quattro supercar fast by 80 standards. And its fabled 5 cylinders had its own sweet sound. The last Quattro rolled off the Ingolstadt line in 1991. A decent example today will cost you twice as much as it did new, and one that actually raced probably have to sell your house.